Hey there, quick one for today. So what if I told you that there is a mask inside Photoshop that you didn't know about, and you can apply it to shapes, you can apply it to text, and the best part of this mask is you're not losing the ability to edit your text or reshape your shape. Oh, kind of cool, right? Reshape your shape, yeah. So let's jump into Photoshop and I will show you this mask. Let's go. So we're inside Photoshop, and what we need to do next is we want to create a solid color, and I'm gonna go with black. And let's type something. For example, the model of the car is Nissan Tiida, something like so. And let's place it here. And let's also create some shape, for example, rectangle, something like so. And let's place it like this. So what we wanna do next is we wanna right click on our text and go to blending options. We want to go with fill opacity to 0 and change the knockout to deep. Press OK. And let's do the same for our rectangle. So fill opacity to 0 and knockout to deep. Press OK. So now I can like move this shape. I can move the text freely. And what I can do, so for example, if I want to resize this, I can do it. So press Ctrl T and like resize this shape, something like so. If I want to change something in the text, I can do that as well. So Nissan Tiida, for example, 2010 model. So you can see that this is perfectly editable. And also we can do one more trick. So we can actually change the fill. So we can go, for example, to white. So how cool is that? Or let me show you basically another trick. So let's delete our color fill here. Let's duplicate our background by pressing Ctrl J, and we're going to, for example, blur this. So go to blur, Gaussian blur, and go something very high. For example, 150 looks good. Press OK. So you can see that our text is perfectly visible and our rectangle is visible, and basically we have the freedom to adjust. So let me remove the text, and you can see that I can move my shape, or I can go and create another shape and do the same basically with that shape. For example, if we want to go with something like this, we can do it. So this is it for today's tutorial, and I hope it was useful for you. And if yes, please put a thumbs up, share this video with your friend, sub to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay awesome.